Hello children. Children, before this I have already sent you the video, and through that video I explained to you that how to write the notice. I told you that this time, due to the change into the question paper format, you would find that there will be two short compositions, and the first question will be a choice between notice and advertisement. I have already explained advertisement to you, notice to you, and now we are going to proceed towards the advertisement. So today's topic is advertisement. Now, children, let us first understand that what is an advertisement. Advertisement is a means to promote sales or services or goods, right? We deal into two things basically, goods and services. Everything comes under these two heads only, and people are adapting many methods of promoting these things, of promoting their goods, of promoting their services, right? And they promote it through different methods like posters, hoardings and advertisement. Advertisement is also a means of promoting the goods and services. Now, how many types of advertisements are there? Because you would have seen advertisement in the newspaper also, advertisement on the television screen also, advertisement on nowadays one of the means of advertisement has become the internet also. This is also a medium of advertisement. But now, children, we into your syllabus are going to talk about only the method of print media advertisement, or you can say advertisement through the newspaper. That is there into your syllabus. Now, when we advertise through the newspaper, so what kind of method is adapted into it? We have to understand that also. Children, in newspaper also, there are two types of advertisement. One is classified advertisement and the other is display advertisement. Though I am going to explain these two advertisements later to you, but first let us at least understand the introduction of these two advertisements. First is classified advertisement. Classified advertisement means when advertisement is given through the words by using short phrases into a paragraph only, that is called classified advertisement. Now, let us talk about display advertisement. The word display itself speaks about it. It means that when we are advertising through the display of the picture along with the content, that is called display advertisement. Now, let us talk through the example of all these advertisements. Children, you would have seen that onto the first page of the newspaper, second page of the newspaper, there are sometimes very beautiful advertisements given regarding certain goods. Maybe, for example, a beautiful bottle of shampoo is there, and along with this the description of it, that what all qualities does it have, how is it good for the hair and everything, right? So, what is it? Display advertisement. How? Because the product has been displayed into the advertisement, right? Take one more example. Sometimes you find that bike or a car or a scooty is being picturized, and along with it the content is given, and that content includes some of the basic features of that particular product. So, in that case where we are able to see the product along with its features, that is called display advertisement. But sometimes when we are only able to understand the features inside through the small paragraph that is classified advertisement. You would find classified advertisement also there in the newspaper. You open somewhere around 12th or 13th page of the newspaper, and then you would find that a complete page of the newspaper has classified advertisement. There you will find a heading written as classified advertisements, and there are small advertisements given on that page. Now, the next part is though display advertisements are also called as commercial advertisement. Fine. There should not be any kind of confusion to you. Another word which is used for display advertisement is commercial advertisement. Now, let us talk about the classified advertisement. Classified advertisements are again divided into many categories. Fine. First, let us understand these categories, and then we are going to talk about the format of the advertisement. Now, they are classified as lost and found, right? Then we can say about situation vacant or the situation wanted, right? Fine, better. Then we have along with lost and found. You may either add along with this to understand it, or you may make one more category, and that is missing. How lost and missing are different from each other, this I will explain you when I am going to explain you the different types of advertisement. Then we have sale and purchase. Fine. One more category, that is matrimonials. And other than this better, there are some advertisements which are related to the educational institutions, advertisement about some coaching institutions. So those are separate kind of advertisements which I am going to explain you separately when we are going to write about the advertisements in detail. Fine, we are going to talk separately about one after the other, that how do these advertisements work and how to write these advertisements. Now, before talking about the format of the advertisement, let me make a small format. Suppose this is a box, right? You can increase the size of the box as per the required thing. Inside the box is written heading, which is written into capital letters, and then from here only you start writing the content. You write the content, you put in different commas after completing the phrase, and towards the end you write contact number and address. This is how the advertisement is done. But now the important question is that what all points should be included to make effective and efficient advertisement. Let us talk about, we are only talking about classified advertisements now. Display we'll talk later. Let us talk first about classified advertisement. But in these advertisements, the advertisements are written along with the heading, first thing. Second, that the advertisements are not written into sentences, they are written into phrases, right? They are written into phrases. Now, the other important thing is that the language used into these advertisements is very simple and effective language is used. Now, third thing, that they are short, they are concise, and they are to the point. These advertisements which we are making are short. They are to the point because, as I have already told you, that they are written in the phrases. That means we are not making big and complete sentences. We are writing it in such a manner that we are only talking to the point. Fine. Now, that the relevant information should be provided. That means whenever we are writing an advertisement, we must make it very much sure that correlated or relevant information about that particular product, about that particular service or whatever we are advertising for, that should be completely included into the advertisement. Talking about the next thing, that is the last thing which comes towards the advertisement is the address and the contact number, and then it is kept inside a box. This how, children, the complete information is shared together. Now I will going to talk and we are going to study about the different parts of advertisement one after the other, how they are effective, how to write them, and what is the format. I have already discussed, but how to apply the different format with different kind of advertisement, this I will share tomorrow into my next video. Thank you, children.